Alright guys, I'm hoping to make this short, but if there's a background noise, please forgive me. Not gonna cut it out. Okay, so let's see. We have GME short interest for today. Today is Friday, 24th February 2023. We end the trading day at 1954. Down about 3% today, which is interesting because I expect it to be a lot lower. Well, because of the, PCE came out pretty hot today. So, but anyway, market doesn't make any sense at all. As far as this trading day, the intraday trading, GME went as low as 1954, as high as 2008. Now, after hours, it went nowhere. So, nothing to see, nothing to hear there. All right. So, the same amount of shares being shorted of the whole company, same percentage. Now, let's see. Data cover went up a little bit, so that is indicative of low volume. Okay, let's check for today. So today, total volume is being traded at 2.28 million shares being traded, right? So that's pretty low, lower than 1% of the whole company. Again, it's a theme, right, with GME. Off exchange, short interest, sorry about that. Off exchange short interest went down a little bit. Okay, so went down to around 4 to 500,000 shares being shorted in the dark pool. That's pretty good, considering right that there's less selling pressure coming from that. However, this is still high. Close to 65% of price action you don't get to see, right? Because it went off exchange. So again, this is the reason why I do this every single day, to know, for you to know what's going on here in this particular stock. Now, briefly, I'm going to show you what the PCE number is. I'm not gonna do an analysis because again, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know enough about this to kind of talk about it in that sense. All I know is that this is the number that the Fed used to, determine the rate hike, right? They should use other metric, but for some reason they tend to go by the lowest data, right? So it came out to be 4.7%. Forecast was a lot lower. They were expecting it to, go down, but of course it went up. Went up how much? It went up by 0.1%. Now 0.1%, people are like, oh, that's not too much, whatever. Well, when you account for, trillions of dollars, and of course, like 1.1% is not like what, 1 penny or 2 penny for you anyway. But to poor people who don't have money, when I said poor, I feel like I'm poor too, right? So it means a lot, for people who are struggling, right? Every dollar count type thing. So yeah, I mean, last time it was 4.4. It's nuts, right? So what does that mean? It means that the Fed has to raise the rate a lot higher, right? Now, whether they're gonna do the footsie thing with the 25 basis point at a time, I think if that's the case, then of course the market's just gonna keep going up. Why? Because they don't believe the Fed anymore. It has no credibility. To me, if they're really serious about bringing inflation down, as they say they are, then they would have raised it above the inflation immediately. right? Not waiting 2 years and then after that you just raise, you know, you know, what, 75 basis point every single month up until now, right? And this is why, they just started to raise the rate about 7 months ago. It wasn't even, that long ago, right? That when they should have done this incremental thing 2 years ago, right? So this is why inflation keep running hot like crazy, and equity is gonna come down. Of course, bond is going like crazy, but yeah. But anyway, I digress. Not gonna make this too long. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend coming up. Okay, bye.